Wall Street's biggest secret about tokenization, there's actually 5 of them, and they change everything about how you can invest. Number 1, the real reason minimums are so high. It's not because investments are too risky for you. Every trade goes through dozens of middlemen using systems that don't talk to each other. Real estate funds spend millions tracking investors in spreadsheets. The back end is so expensive that $5 million minimums are just the break-even point. Number 2, tokenization makes compliance cheap. Put ownership on a blockchain and smart contracts handle everything automatically. Dividends, cap tables, compliance checks, no armies of people reconciling databases. A fund that needed $5 million to break even, now it works at $10,000. Number 3, settlement doesn't have to take days. Tokenized assets settle instantly. Everyone's looking at the same ledger. No reconciliation needed. Number 4, the biggest players are already all in. BlackRock has billions of dollars worth of assets tokenized. Apollo, Hamilton Lane, KKR are racing to tokenize their fund. They're not doing it to be nice. The operational savings are massive. Number 5, this is happening inside the rules, not around them. Securitize has tokenized billions of dollars worth of assets with fully regulated infrastructure. SEC registered transfer agent, broker-dealer, the whole stack. The regulations didn't change, the cost of following them did. You're not waiting for Wall Street to let you in, you're watching Wall Street get rebuilt in real time.